everyone, I'm Anna, Digital Media and Event Strategist here at the California Employers Association, or CEA. Welcome to our YouTube channel series, Compliance Couch, where we make California HR rules simple. Today, I want to introduce one of our HR advisors that you may have the pleasure of speaking with on CEA's HR phone support line. Today, we have Astrid Servin, one of our awesome HR directors, and we are chatting about tips for your employee handbook. So whether you're an HR pro or just trying to stay compliant, we have you covered. So Astrid, are employee handbooks required in California or are they just recommended?
So employee handbooks are actually not required in California, but could they help you during a disagreement or even worse, when you're in court? You bet. You're going to want to draft a handbook that is California compliant and updated regularly. This shows good faith on the employer's part in staying compliant, and it starts off the relationship right with your employee.
So what are the top tips for employers to ensure compliance, get it right, and avoid those costly mistakes?
Well, first of all, use your handbook to set the tone for your company. Your handbook informs your staff about your policies and expectations, and it works both ways, what you, the company, expect from your employees and what they should expect from you. Second, update your handbook regularly, at least once a year, and train your management staff on the content of it. One of the most common pitfalls we see employers mess up on is having outdated and non-compliant policies. So make sure you update that handbook regularly, at least annually, and train your managers on it. And finally, use it as an opportunity to highlight your company. What is your company mission, your company culture, and what kind of benefits do you offer your employees, such as vacation, holidays, healthcare? This is where you want to include it.
That's really good information for employees to know. So do you have any final thoughts for employers on the importance of creating their employee handbook?
Actually, yes. A handbook protects your company. We always say think of it as your sword and shield. It serves as documentation that the company is aware of the laws, intends to comply with the law, and is transparent about it all. The handbook serves as your shield to defend you against lawsuits.
Thanks, Astrid. So what we've learned today is that updating and being well-versed on your employee handbook can help keep your workplace compliant and running smoothly. Do you need assistance creating or updating your handbook for your company? You can purchase a do-it-yourself handbook guide, or let us do the work for you and create a customized employee handbook for your organization. So that wraps up this month's HR Compliance Couch. If you have more specific questions and you are a CEA member, you can always give us a call at 1-800-399-5331. You can also drop a question into the comments or reach out to us at ceainfo@employers.org. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next month for HR Compliance Couch.